Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Nomos Tangente second date. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Would you like a date window or a ring date complication? Asked the Nomos lead designer. Yes, answered the manager absent-mindedly. And here we are. For HHN, this is a second date with Nomos, and it is Nomos Tangente second date. An embodiment of, it was so nice we've done it twice. An exercise in a useless complication and a pure joy to watch in action, nonetheless. An absurd idea executed with bravado by someone who knows how to play with colors. More on this later. But does it mean the watch got thicker? Not at all, because Nomos design is as good as its watchmaking. The new caliber DW4601 has the ring date around its edge, instead on top of it. There's also a new decorative motif, the sunbeam ribbing. The result is a watch that is under 7 millimeters thick with a quick set date working in both directions. I always like Zenith for this functionality, while wondering why it is so rare with the other brands. But where Nomos has no rivals at its price point is how their movement looks. This is punching way above their weight. Did I mention the colors? The white with red date might be fresh and cheerful, but the blue one just takes the breath away. The switch to white date details instantly changes the mood to more serious, restrained, and elegant. The closer you look at the dial, the more mesmerizing it is. There's something to be said about minimalism, where maximum attention is awarded to the execution of a selected few details. The watch might look simple, if not even simplistic, but a connoisseur will recognize how hard you have to try to make the results seem effortless. And Nomos nails it every time. A whole video about second date and no mention of the third base in the script? That was polite. Catch you in the next one.